Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your American Express account. Here is how to enable it in a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sr.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable two-factor authentication. You may need to provide a phone number or email address where you will receive verification codes. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering the required information, confirm your choices and save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that 2FA is now active. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your American Express account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive your verification codes.